Good morning from Groundworks Coffee in Hollywood. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. Kudos to Kim Passini Hawk for paying adoption fees for 800 animals at the Front Street Animal Shelter in Sacramento from mid-November to December 31st. Those 800 animals, by the way, all have loving homes now. Aw, isn't that a great holiday story? You betcha. That magnanimous gift by Kim, valued at $20,000, has inspired a couple in Roseville, California to pay for adoptions at the Placer SPCA. Yes! This much we know. Over 94% of new owners develop very strong relationships and loving bonds immediately upon adoption. Hooray for compassion! Yes! Hooray for donors who keep these shelters afloat, and hooray for loving peeps adopting animals. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love nature. Hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So don't be shy. Come on to drreese.com, DRREESE.com, and click on that donate button. And pick yourself up any number of terrific books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, and life. The wonder of it all. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.